Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right into today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.73 trillion. We're up 2.6% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 44.3%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, as you guys can see, we are seeing some mild red across the board, especially over the last 1 hour. But I believe that is nothing to worry about because if we are looking at the larger time frame, especially the last 7 days, you guys can see majority of the cryptocurrency market is up quite a bit. So nothing to worry about. Everything is starting to look very, very nice. But today, guys, I want to look, at none other than VeChain. Alright, my VeChain family, if we are looking at the VeChain's price right now, you guys can see we are currently trading at 0.091 cents. We're up 2.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're down 0.4% in Bitcoin comparative in just the last 24 hours. VeChain's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at that top 22 spot. Market cap right now is $5.92 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $651.8 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for VeChain, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 386.7%. So let's not forget that. And in the last 14 days, VeChain is up a staggering 37.3%. So everything is starting to look very, very nice for VeChain. But let's deep dive into the charts now and see what's exactly going on and where we could be seeing VeChain's price go in the immediate short term. So right off the bat, yes, VeChain is trading at 0.091 cents mark, and we're still in this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. We are seeing VeChain having some difficulties as to breaking towards the upside out of this zone, and the main factor as to why I believe that is happening is because one, BTC dominance is kind of playing an effect, but mostly it comes down to the buying pressure. We are not seeing enough buying pressure kick in for VeChain. Once we do see that happen, guys, I believe we are going to move way faster compared to how it is going right now. But still, from its bottom, like I have mentioned in the previous video, if you picked up some VeChain around the 0.055 cents mark, you are already up 64.5%, guys. You're up 64.59% in just roughly 2 weeks. So that might have been a very, very nice to be dollar cost averaging in for VeChain. But now comes the question that everyone wants to know. Literally everyone wants to know this question on a daily basis. You guys know me personally, myself. I'm a huge believer on VeChain, and I believe it's here to stay long term. I don't really care about the short-term price movements, but I know everyone gets excited. Everyone wants to know what's exactly going on, and this is why we bring in the daily updates for you guys. So if we are looking at the VeChain's price right now, what's exactly happening right now is, yes, we are having a lack of buying pressure right now, but that is the case with the majority of the altcoins. One thing I want to point out for you guys is that even though we are seeing a lack of buying pressure, we are still seeing VeChain outperform a majority of the altcoins right now in the cryptocurrency industry. And that is a very, very bullish sign. It goes to show how interested people really are and, how much pressure, like hype there really is in the project. And without a doubt, VeChain is by far one of the most, looked forward to projects, basically most hyped. But I believe at the same time, as crazy as it may sound, at the same time I believe it is being slept on majorly as well. And the reason as to why I believe that is because If you look at what VeChain is doing, guys, if you look at the overall ecosystem, the companies that are using the VeChain Tor blockchain and what VeChain really is doing, it's undervalued in my opinion if we compare some altcoins in the top 10 to VeChain. Without a doubt, guys. That's just my own personal opinion. And I believe masses will eventually start to pick up. And when that happens, the people that have held, that have been accumulating, that had patience, their patience will pay off. Right now, we're still in this zone, literally in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And what I would like for VeChain to do is break above this 10 cents mark, guys, because the last time we were above this level was back on June 19th, so almost 2 months ago, guys. So you guys get the picture as to how important it is for us to break above this level, because that basically means that yes, markets are indeed moving towards the upside, and things will definitely start looking very, very nice. But we do need to keep Bitcoin's price in mind as well. So let's look at the Bitcoin price briefly, and then we will come and make a conclusion on the VeChain's price. You guys can see, guys, Bitcoin is ready for a breakout in my personal opinion right now. We had a beautiful rally towards the upside. We're unable to break above this level of resistance at this $43,200 mark. The reason as to why this is so important is because, as you guys can see, last time we were above this level was before the crash that we did see for the Bitcoin price. So you guys get the picture as to why it's very important for the Bitcoin price to break above this level, because that basically confirms that yes, we have seen the bottom and markets are indeed headed towards the upside. I have mentioned this in my Cardano's video, but I believe that we will see Bitcoin having a breakout first, have its rally, and then I believe the money is going to flow from Bitcoin back into altcoins, and that's when we will see the BTC dominance get back down to these levels, and we will see the altcoin rally occur. So what does that mean for VeChain, you may be asking? If so, let's say we do break above $43,000, I am 100% convinced that VeChain will break above this level and gradually move towards the upside and possibly get back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So things are starting to look very, very nice. But one thing I want to point out for you guys is, especially the newcomers coming into the space, I know you guys have seen a crash occur in the cryptocurrency markets, and you have seen the markets be boring over the last 2 months. But that's something you have to face, guys. Whether it's cryptocurrencies, whether it's stocks, whatever it is, that's the risk that comes with it. This is why it's always, always important to do your own due diligence and research, and always invest where you can afford to lose, guys. When you do that and you pick some projects that actually have strong fundamentals, real use case, then you know what? Patience is your number one key to follow, because trust me, if anyone comes and tells you that you will get rich overnight and this coin is going to blow up overnight, I'm sorry to say to you, Crypto ZX will be the one that is going to come straight forward, straight off the bat, will come and tell you that is just not the reality. You need to have patience, because at the end of the day, you guys know cryptocurrency markets are unregulated and they are manipulated. So you never know when Bitcoin can say, you know what, guys, goodbye. And when that happens, guess what happens to the entire cryptocurrency markets? Everything goes towards the downside and everything else invalidated. So we need to keep that in mind when you are looking at the price of any cryptocurrencies. But if it comes down to VeChain specifically, I am a long-term believer on this project, and I believe this project is going to, basically surprise a lot of people. That's all I'm going to say. But right now, to conclude, I want VeChain to break above this level, because things will start looking very nice, and that would mean that yes, we are definitely in an upwards trajectory for the price of VeChain. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys are thinking and where you guys could see the VeChain's price go at the end of this year. Leave in the comment section below if you guys think VeChain's price can hit $1 by this end of this year. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Please, it takes 2 seconds. This helps my videos get to a wider audience, so your support would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me, especially my day one supporters, my regular supporters. I love you guys, and stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.